Today, we'll dive into the fascinating process behind the production of rubber bands at Kiowa Izumisano factory in Osaka, Japan. A manufacturer with over 101 years of experience specializing in rubber and industrial resin products. Although rubber bands may seem like simple everyday objects, the journey from raw materials to the final product involves a series of intricate steps. Let's walk through the entire process, from raw rubber to finished rubber bands. The primary material used in this process is natural rubber, sourced from rubber trees in Southeast Asia. The latex is extracted directly from the trees and then solidified into raw rubber sheets. Upon arrival at the factory, the first step is to mix the natural rubber with specific chemicals and synthetic rubber to create a blend with the desired durability and elasticity. This process takes place on the second floor of the factory, where the technicians use a Banbury mixer, a high-pressure mixing machine, to knead the materials thoroughly. Strict control of ingredient ratios ensures the rubber mixture meets the required standards before moving on to the next phase. Once blended, the rubber mixture is sent down to the next floor for kneading and rolling. Large rollers apply continuous pressure to soften and smooth the rubber, helping it achieve the perfect consistency and adhesion. During this step, technicians manually check the mixture to ensure it is smooth and free of clumps. Afterward, the rubber is cut into thin sheets and neatly arranged on a conveyor belt, preparing it for further processing. The rubber sheets, now formed into large blocks weighing approximately 20 kilograms each, rest for 12 hours to allow the chemical components to stabilize. After resting, the rubber undergoes a second mixing process. This time, sulfur and other accelerators are added to enhance the rubber's elasticity and flexibility. The mixing process lasts about 20 minutes, but to ensure uniform quality, the rubber is repeatedly cut and kneaded. Sulfur plays a crucial role here, allowing the rubber bands to stretch and return to their original shape without breaking. After mixing, the rubber is transferred to an extrusion machine where it is shaped into long rubber tubes. These tubes are heated to improve their elasticity, then quickly cooled using water. To prevent the tubes from sticking together during the cutting process, the surface is coated with a thin layer of talc powder, ensuring smooth handling and easy separation. In the final step, the rubber tubes are fed into a cutting machine, where they are sliced into individual rubber bands according to the preset dimensions. Precision is essential in this phase to ensure every band is uniform in thickness and width. Each batch undergoes manual inspection to guarantee there are no defects before packaging. The finished rubber bands are produced with their distinctive brown and yellow design, a familiar hallmark of these products. After inspection, they are carefully packed into boxes and made ready for shipping. These small but essential items will soon reach consumers, ready to meet a variety of everyday needs. The journey from raw latex to a simple rubber band is much more complex than it seems. Every step of the process requires meticulous attention to detail and precision. It's fascinating to think that such a small object, which we use so casually in our daily lives, involves so much expertise and effort behind the scenes.